Welcome back. Gold worth 2.58 crore rupees was seized at Dabhol Airport on Saturday evening. 3 persons from Kerala have been arrested. 20 gold biscuits of 116 grams each have been seized. 2 of them travelled by Air India, whereas 1 of them travelled by Air Arabia.
Gold worth 2.57 crore rupees was seized at Dabhol Airport. Customs police arrested 3 for allegedly smuggling of gold. All are from Kerala. Sources from customs said that they seized 20 biscuits of gold each weighing 116 grams. Total gold was worth 2 crore 58 lakhs 75,000. Their walking style aroused suspicion as they appeared uncomfortable with the precious metal. Sources said that 2 accused concealed thin biscuits of the precious metal in their rectum, while another hid into emergency lights, LED bulbs and radio battery. 1 was travelling from Air Arabia and 2 were in Air India. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Congress has come down heavily on Indian Coast Guard. GPCC President John Fernandez blamed Indian Coast Guard for the menace of tar balls on Goan beaches. Congress has demanded strict action against illegal constructions cropping up on agricultural land. John has warned to approach National Green Tribunal against illegal constructions in the fields.
Since many days, Goan beaches are polluted due to tar balls. Congress is blaming the Coast Guard for tar ball menace on the beaches. John Fernandez has asked the members of parliament to raise the issue in upcoming Lok Sabha session.
They have failed in their duty. Therefore, they should be held liable, and the Goa government should request them to clean all the beaches of tar and oil slick. And I will write to the Defence Minister, Government of India, that the Coast Guard is not doing its duty properly and they should be held liable and responsible. And I will also see that this matter is raised in the coming session of Parliament.
John Fernandez lambasted at state government for not acting against illegal constructions on agricultural land. He claims that Goa government is desolating public funds.
There are no signboards under the PDA law stating the license number and other details, other clearances, which is a mandatory provision of a license, is not displayed at the site. So I gave only 24 hours to the PDA member secretary to see that this licenses are displayed. Otherwise, we are going to file a criminal case against him. And we will be compelled to approach the National Green Tribunal and the other legal forums to take action on the government officers who has violated these rules, and more so the revenue department which has given the clearance, fraudulent clearances, and we will hold them liable. And I request the Honorable Chief Minister to look into this matter. He doesn't smell of favoritism only, but also nepotism.
Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Headmistress of a school from Taligaon has been booked again by Punjab police following a complaint from a parent. A parent in her complaint has claimed that the school headmistress M. Afonso allegedly threatened her son and abused him in foul language. The complaint alleged that the headmistress was seeking revenge. In March, the Punjab police had booked the school head for allegedly harassing the students.
The headmistress from one of the schools from Taligaon allegedly harassed the students. A complaint was earlier filed and the headmistress, M.A. Afonso, was booked by the Panji police. On Friday, once again, complaint was filed by a parent of a student. Complaint mentioned that school headmistress M.A. Afonso was allegedly harassing the students and using foul language in front of the whole class. The complaint alleged that the headmistress was seeking revenge. In March, the Panji police had booked the school head for allegedly harassing the students. The complainant also alleged that the headmistress insulted her son in front of the students during the recess time. The incident, according to the complainant, took place on June 5th in the school premises. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Chairman of KTC and Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida plans to lower the losses incurred by Kadamba Corporation. He says KTC suffered a loss up to 7 lakhs per day earlier, which has been minimized to 4 lakhs per day in current financial year. Carlos Almeida allotted 3 buses for St. Theresa High School in Vasco. These buses will transport students from Cortalim, Bogmalo and New Vaddem. Around 150 students will travel in these buses.
If you travel by Kadamba buses every day, this might bring a smile on your face. Kadamba Transport Corporation claims that per day losses of the corporation have come down by 40%. Chairman of the corporation says the losses have come down to 4 lakh rupees per day from earlier 7 lakh rupees per day.
It's about 7 lakhs loss per year. We were running into this is the last 2 years back, 2.5 years back. Now I'm 3.5 lakh. It's about 3.5 lakhs loss per day. We hope to come down more. Say by next month, I think we should come about 1.5 lakhs per day. It's like request with the local ki baba tumhe buses sarki care gaya mandal.
Carlos was attending a function where 3 KTC buses were allotted to St. Theresa High School in Vasco. Government is planning to give Kadamba buses to more schools to transport school students.
The management of the PTA and of parents. I have 3 buses. One bus from Cortalim, one bus from Bogmalo, and one bus from New Vaddem. And I have a long pending dream of the children and of the parents. This is the लोग त्रास होते हैं बस कॉलन भी आणि आम्ही एक देखून कदंबा देखून आम्ही एक रिक्वेस्ट केला लोकांक की बाबा तुमचे बसेस तुम्ही हँडल कराय म्हणून.
These new initiatives by the corporation may infuse fresh lease of life in the Kadambas. Although KTC covers major routes in Goa and is premier transport agency of the state, it always failed to bring its balance sheet in green. The 40% reduction in the losses may just help to rejuvenate this cash-ridden venture. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.